Hey guys, welcome to How to Play Without You by Kid Leroy on the acoustic guitar. Okay, so first things first, if you want to learn this song, you gotta know the 5 chords that are played in the song, which are A minor, F major 7, C, G, and E. If you don't know what they sound like this. Other things I should mention in the song, you want to be in standard tuning, which are E, A, D, G, B, and E, which sound like this. You also want to make sure you guys don't use a capo, because this song doesn't require a capo. Yep, next up, the strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern, for the most part, is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, which sounds like this. So the chord progression throughout the whole song, followed with that chord progression that I just showed you, is A minor, F major 7, C, and then G, which would sound like this. Okay, so now for the first pre-chorus, it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to have to use the same 3 chords, except instead of playing a G, we're going to play an E. Also, for the E, the strumming pattern is going to be different. It's going to be down, 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 and then you're going to rest for a bit, and then you're going to mute. You're going to mute like 4 times. It's going to sound like this. Okay, now for the second pre-chorus, you're going to be playing the same 3 chords, except at the end, you're going to leave out the 4th chord, and you're just going to mute, which is going to sound like this. Now for the bridge, you're going to be playing the same 4 chords, but then on the G chord, you're going to be playing 8 down strums, and then a down-up strum, which is going to sound like this. Okay, now for the outro, you're going to be playing the same 4 chords, and you're just going to be strumming them 1 time each. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's go have some fun.